The Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card works uniquely to help individuals build or rebuild their credit history. Here's how it works. Application. Users apply for the Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card through the Chime app. Approval is based on factors like income and banking history rather than credit score. Refundable security deposit. Once approved, users must pay a refundable security deposit, which becomes their credit limit. This deposit is held in a Chime Credit Builder account and is used to secure the card. Card usage. Cardholders can use their Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card for purchases anywhere Visa is accepted. They can make purchases up to their credit limit, which is equal to their security deposit. Reporting to credit bureaus. Chime reports cardholders' payment behavior to the 3 major credit bureaus. This helps users establish a positive payment history, which can improve their credit score over time. No interest charges. Unlike traditional credit cards, the Chime Credit Builder Visa credit card does not charge interest on purchases. Instead, users pay a flat monthly fee for access to the card. Automatic payments. Cardholders can set up automatic payments from their Chime spending account to ensure their credit card bills are paid on time each month.